In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Instagram from Meta Business Suite. If you no longer want an Instagram account connected to your Meta Business Suite, the process is fairly quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, just make sure you're signed into the correct Meta Business account, because removing the wrong Instagram profile can interrupt publishing, messaging, or account access for your team. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, start by clicking on Settings. This is where Meta keeps the main business configuration options, including connected assets like pages, ad accounts, and Instagram profiles. If you've never been in this area before, don't worry. You're simply heading into the section where account connections are managed. After the settings page opens, look for the Instagram account section and click on Instagram account. This will take you to the area that lists the Instagram profile currently connected to the business. If your business manages more than one asset, take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct Instagram account before moving forward. It's always worth double checking, especially if multiple team members use the same business suite. Once you're on the Instagram account page, click on Remove. This is the option that begins the disconnection process. At this stage, Meta may show a prompt or warning to make sure you understand what's about to happen. That's normal. Removing the account means it will no longer be linked through Meta Business Suite, which can affect connected tools and permissions tied to that setup. To finish, click on Remove again to confirm. This final confirmation tells Meta that you definitely want to disconnect the Instagram account from the business. After that, the account should be removed from Meta Business Suite. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. Sometimes platform updates take a few seconds to display. It's also a good idea to verify afterward that the Instagram account no longer appears in the connected asset section, just so you know the removal was successful. And that's it. That's how to disconnect Instagram from Meta Business Suite. If you're making changes to business assets, always move carefully and review each selection before confirming, because even a simple removal can affect workflows for posting, access, and account management.